Hi everyone, welcome to this lesson. I'm going to show you here how to organize all your DAX functions on one table. So in everything that we do in our daily life, organization is very critical. Right. So we got a DAX function, our first DAX function, and it's hidden somewhere inside this table. You can see number of customers. So what if we have multiple tables, multiple DAX functions? So it will not be tidy at all to be going into from one table to the other looking for the DAX function to use for a particular purpose. Here, I'm going to show you how to organize your DAX functions in one table. Let's go into it. So to do that, under Home, you come to Enter Data. Just click on Enter Data. So that will bring up this table. Then just rename this table. Let me just call this DAX Measures. So you can call it all. Since I want to put every measures related to customer in one table, I'll call this Customer Measures, something like that. Customer Measures. So whatever I want to call it, key measures, it's just a nomenclature. I load. So this loads into a table right here. I've written a DAX measure. So it's just to move the DAX, just change the table of that DAX measure to this table right here. So that is just for a start. So I'll click on the measure. I'll come to, so on this side, I can see that the home table is customer. I can change the home table to customer measures. So that just moves that measure to the customer's measure table. So any measure I want to write on this particular dashboard related to customer, I ensure I write it under customer measures. So another thing that we can do again, so it's very critical that we also see our measures at the top of all the tables we are going to have in a data model. Yeah. So all I need to do is to use this column 1. I click on this more options, then I hide column 1. So when I hide column 1, automatically the measure comes up here and looks like something like a phone. But some people that might have the older version of Power BI, this might not happen automatically. Once you hide, you might need to close the fields and reopen. Then that adjustment will happen. So this is just how to organize your measures in one table. So accessing these measures, just to come to this that looks like a triangle, like a half triangle, just click on it downwards. So like a navigator, click on it downwards, you see all your measures right here. So this is how to organize all your measures in one table. So no matter how many there are, you can actually put them here and use them for anything you want to do. So in subsequent lessons, like in the next lesson now, we are going to see if we can write more measures and just include in this report. So if not, we'll continue that in tax 2. All right, thank you for watching this video. See you in the next lesson.